Cardi B puts a bounty on a man's head. No, she didn't. Okay? No, she did not. If you guys know what this man did allegedly to Cardi B's cousin, you guys will totally agree with what Cardi B did. Let's get right into it, you guys. Okay? She did not put a bounty on his head. Hey, you guys. Okay? Welcome to Jahara Maravilla. Don't forget to hit that bottom button and subscribe to your girl, Jahara Maravilla. Love you. Also, anything you hear on this channel is only my opinion. So remember, let's have some fun. Welcome, you guys. I missed you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in with your girl. You guys are on Jahara Maravilla, and we are talking about my princess Cardi B and how allegedly she put out a bounty on somebody's head, which is not true. She simply just wanted some information on some dude who actually did this. Guess what he did, you guys? This guy is crazy. He was on the highway and he asked Cardi B's cousin to give him a lift because he was broken down. So Cardi B's cousin is a nice Christian man. Nothing like Cardi, she says. He's a humble dude. He's not about anything evil. So he actually pulled over allegedly to help this man out. And allegedly, this man took out a hammer and put it to the man's head and told him that he would hurt him if he didn't allegedly take him to a destination that he wanted to go to. So Cardi B is kind of upset because the New York police is actually taking their time with this case, and Cardi B's cousin is actually very, very traumatized at the time because he wanted to help this man who was allegedly not even pulled over. His car had broken down, you guys. So Cardi B's cousin, being a good Samaritan, just told him, you know what? I'll take you to the next gasoline station, the next gas station. So this man was like, no. You're gonna do this, you're gonna do that. Allegedly, he pulled out a hammer on the guy, and the guy is really shaken up. And Cardi B just basically took it upon herself to go on her Instagram and actually post the guy's face and say that she just wanted some information on the dude. So now you know how the media is going to take everything and blow it out of proportion. They're stating that Cardi B put a bounty on the guy's head, which it was totally not that. All she wanted was information, and it was due to the fact that she was willing to share the information with the boys, she says. This is her speaking. Let her talk, and I'll come back with the rest of my commentary.
So I want to make this clear for the dumb people in the back, for, you're not that bright. So the reason why I posted that picture of that man is because I want information on that man, because I feel like the cops is not moving fast enough. But anyways, let me tell you. So there's good people in this world, right? Like, I feel like I'm a good person, but then there's people that are just extremely sweet, extremely nice. So my cousin, he's a Christian. He's a really nice person. So this man was stuck around the highway or something, and this guy flagged my cousin, and he was like, I need a ride because I'm stuck and everything. So my cousin said, I'm going to drop you at the gas station. So when my cousin was giving him a ride, he put a gun on his head. He started putting the gun on his chest, and he robbed him, and he made him continue driving for like around 30 minutes, like just driving him around for no reason, like a fucking... My cousin gave the pictures to the cops and everything, but I just feel like they're taking a long time and everything, and it's like fucking social media. You could find anything and anybody. And no, I'm not gonna get the guy fucking beat up and kill and this and that. If my cousin need the information, I'm gonna give him the information so he could give to the boys. Like, I'm a $1 million woman with a kid and responsibilities. Like, I'm not that fucking dumb. But I mean, y'all were doing the same shit with Capitol rioters, right? Y'all was fucking putting their information, all of that. So what's wrong? For somebody that almost fucking killed my cousin and hit my cousin with a fucking gun. Yes, I'm gonna be upset. And I'm gonna be hurt. Because people take advantage of nice people, really nice people. And I hate that shit happened to him. It's like sometimes you can't even be fucking nice in this world, bro. People just take advantage of nice people. If you guys got any information over that lovely man that I posted, I cannot see DMs, all of them. So just tag me in the pictures. Make sure your page is not private and tag me. And yeah.
I mean, as a human being, I could totally relate to what Cardi B is saying. Her cousin is a good person. Like, haven't you had that good cousin of yours that you know that he's such a good person that you would never imagine anyone hurting him or actually wanting to hurt that person? Well, I have a cousin like that. I have several family members like that. I would never want someone to hurt anyone in my family, and neither would you. So I feel like Cardi B is not putting a bounty on the guy's head. I think she knows her net worth. I know that she knows her net worth. I know that she knows who she is and the power that she has. So why not use it? Wouldn't you use it and try to get someone in trouble that hurt your family? At the end of the day, what she did was what she had to do, what she felt was right for her family. I am not the one to judge Cardi because I feel like, if it would have been my family member, I would have gone all out too, girl. So everyone has mixed emotions about this. People that are against Cardi, of course, they're gonna say negative things, but the people that actually relate to Cardi and how she feels, and wouldn't you relate to a person and how they felt at this moment? This person held his cousin allegedly at gunpoint, okay? And she felt that the police needed a little push. So she was willing to give the police a little push by helping them with information. Mind you, after Cardi B posted this post, information has been flooding in like crazy. So don't you think she did her good deed? Hello? She did her thing. She wanted to help her cousin, and only right for her to do that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know. I just feel like I'm with Cardi on this one. I feel like she's totally right for trying to get justice for her cousin. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in with your girl. You guys are on Jahara Maravilla TV. Don't forget to hit that bottom button and subscribe to your girl, Jahara Maravilla. And to the new people, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you guys are here too. And you're welcome. And I love you too. Peace. Love you guys. You guys are the best. Mwah. Hey you guys, welcome to Jahara Maravilla. Don't forget to hit that bottom button and subscribe to your girl, Jahara Maravilla. Love you. Also, anything you hear on this channel is only my opinion. So remember, let's have some fun.